Do you ever find yourself wincing with every step, your movements restricted by a persistent pain in your lower back? If so, you're not alone. Low back pain affects millions of people worldwide, disrupting daily activities and diminishing quality of life. But what if I told you there's a way to banish that pain instantly? Yes, you heard it right, instantly. In this video, we're diving deep into the secrets of low back pain relief, exploring fascinating facts and practical techniques to help you conquer this common ailment once and for all. Just a quick reminder, we are not medical doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Let's start by unraveling the mystery behind low back pain. Contrary to popular belief, not all back pain originates from the spine itself. In fact, a significant portion of cases stem from the glute medius muscle, a lesser-known culprit hiding beneath the surface. This muscle plays a crucial role in hip abduction and pelvic stability, but when it becomes tight or inflamed, it can wreak havoc on your lower back. But fear not, because we're about to uncover the secrets to instant relief. Now, let's take a closer look at the anatomy of the glute medius muscle. Nestled beneath the gluteus maximus, this powerhouse muscle attaches to the pelvis and femur, forming a crucial link in the chain of movement. When it functions properly, it helps maintain pelvic alignment and prevents excessive lateral tilt during walking or running. But when it malfunctions, it can trigger a cascade of discomfort and dysfunction. Imagine being able to pinpoint the source of your pain with a simple touch. That's precisely what we're about to do. By identifying the trigger point of your low back pain, often located just below the bony prominence of the pelvis, you can unlock the key to instant relief. This trigger point, often overlooked in conventional treatments, holds the key to unlocking your body's natural healing mechanisms. Now, here comes the moment you've been waiting for, the instant relief technique. No fancy equipment or elaborate procedures required, just you, your thumb, and a willingness to take control of your pain. By applying pressure to the trigger point while simultaneously moving your leg through specific ranges of motion, you can release tension and restore balance to the glute medius muscle. It's like hitting the reset button on your body's pain response system. But instant relief is just the beginning. To ensure that your low back pain stays banished for good, you need to strengthen the underlying muscles responsible for stability and support. That's where targeted exercises come into play. From wall-supported hip abductions to weighted walks, these exercises target the glute medius and surrounding muscles, fortifying your body against future pain episodes. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest health and nutrition tips. Did you know that your mental state can influence your experience of pain? It's true. Stress, anxiety, and negative emotions can exacerbate low back pain, creating a vicious cycle of discomfort and distress. But by practicing mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and progressive muscle relaxation, you can calm your mind and soothe your body, paving the way for lasting relief. Prevention is always better than cure, and when it comes to low back pain, simple lifestyle modifications can make a world of difference. From maintaining good posture to staying active and avoiding prolonged sitting, small changes can yield big results. And let's not forget the importance of proper nutrition and hydration. Fueling your body with the right nutrients ensures optimal musculoskeletal health. As the saying goes, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a pain-free back. Achieving lasting relief requires dedication, consistency, and patience. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine and sticking with them over time, you can gradually retrain your body and break free from the grip of low back pain once and for all. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, it's tempting to seek out quick fixes for our problems. But when it comes to low back pain, there's no magic pill or miracle cure. True healing takes time and effort, and anyone who promises otherwise is selling snake oil. So, don't fall for gimmicks or fads. Instead, embrace the journey of self-discovery and empowerment as you reclaim control of your health. As you embark on your journey to conquer low back pain, remember that your efforts extend far beyond yourself. By prioritizing your health and well-being, you set a powerful example for those around you, inspiring others to take charge of their own lives. And as more people embrace holistic approaches to pain management, we pave the way for a healthier, happier future for all. So, dare to dream of a future free from the shackles of discomfort. Because with the right tools and mindset, anything is possible. Now that you've learned the secrets to fixing low back pain instantly, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Start by identifying your trigger points, practicing the instant relief technique, and incorporating targeted exercises into your daily routine. Remember, the journey to a pain-free back begins with a single step. So, take that step today and embark on the path to lasting relief. Keep in mind that we are not medical doctors, and this information should not be considered medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only. It is always best to check with your doctor for medical advice and treatment. They will know more about your individual condition. Remember to check out our other videos on this channel. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time on Health Info Hub, stay informed, share your thoughts, and subscribe.